Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change background in KineMaster with green screen. To change the background in KineMaster using a green screen, follow these steps. First of all, open your KineMaster application and open up a new project. Select a video clip that you want to edit from your camera roll or other sources provided by KineMaster. Go ahead and select a background image or video that you want to use, and once you select a background image or video, tap on the tick mark at the top right corner. Now that you have your background image or video, the next thing to do is to tap on Layer on the top right corner and tap on Media. Now select the green screen video or a video recorded against a green background. Once you select the green screen media, click on the tick mark at the top right, and you will then be able to import the video with the green screen on your timeline. This will add as a layer on top of your background as shown on the preview. Tap on the green screen video layer and make sure you adjust it and make it aligned with your background image or video clip. Increase or decrease the size of your green screen layer by pinching in or out with your fingers on your preview screen. Once you place it on a desired location, the next thing you want to do is to look for the chroma key option on the right hand corner. If you have selected your layer, this menu will pop open on the right corner where you'll need to tap on chroma key. Now toggle on the button right next to enable, and you will then be able to apply the chroma key effect on the green screen. You can use the sliders to fine-tune the removal of the background, adjust the mask to make the subject clearer using the sliders. Once you are done, you can now go back and review your video to ensure the desired effect. After you are happy with your result, export your project by clicking on the export icon at the top right. Select your desired export settings from the menu, and then finally click on Save as Video on the bottom right corner. And that is how you will be able to change your background in KineMaster with green screen. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you.